My people, make una come see 15 euro meat. 15 euro goat. I want chop goat. Una no say don't say when I dey talk about goat. I go buy goat for turkey shop. I no see goats buy. Now I come buy chicken, carton of chicken. This goat, this one are goat meat. Only this goat meat, 15 euro. 15 euro for goat meat for this one. They say full goat, 190 euro. 190 euro, 15 euro. I not get belle. I want to Christmas. Now I say me I use goat, stay top up. Now I go buy goat. 15 euro, this one now. 45 euro. 45 euro for this goat meat. No be ojuju be that. Good evening, my love. No be ojuju be that to buy this goat meat. 45 euro. 45 euro for just this. So once. Good evening. Once 45 euro. Full goats. They say na 190 euro. 190 euro, which is 130,000 for goats. So tomorrow I will use one. These two. No packaging, no. So I come buy beef. Let me go buy and I person help me buy and call you deal. Let me go buy and this one no no red rich. I know they buy the one when you care all year. This one now cannot two. Hold on. Beef Christmas so I no fit kick cow. So now meat when I buy. Now be this. Reviewing. I buy this one. 50 euro. These two 50 euro. These two meat. So 45 euro for goat meat. Oh. PJ. For any area well. Thank you, Roots. Here no let us eat goat again. 45 euro. As you rich. 45 euro. And they find me to do Christmas. Thank you guys. Now meat beef when I buy, because you know what I show am chicken are for children. And for jollof rice, chicken now you can adults they eat them. Man. Sweet mother, you are welcome. As the amount no good. See am 45 euro on a what we say now. 45 euro the way. Equal way is 200 euro, 190. Full goats 190, 100 euro. The rate weight is the expensive this day. The meat is many. Now lie you, many 100 meat of 100 euro. Now this one many 100 euro. 109, take 109. Not many. Before if you carry 100 euro enter markets, what you will buy? You know it and finish. You know what say. Now, money when I don't do shopping this week, and if I talk, they go say I dey rake. So me I you keep them. Okay. Thank you, Mama Korom. Good evening. 50 euro. 50 euro. The way. In Nigeria. Cleaner. Because now I want to cook tomorrow. I'll cook pepper soup. Also, on Christmas Day, I know they cook. On the 25, I know they cook. All food done I won't cook now tomorrow. So on the 25, I go just the look now. They relax. Okay, Oibo for Deutschland. Now tomorrow, now be Christmas. Tomorrow. Now Oibo they do Christmas. Now we they celebrate on the 25. So I won't follow them do their Christmas tomorrow. Cook. So that I'll sleep on the 25. Okay, I'll call the wash you now. So now take the cook now. Because I know I'll see a lot of food. So on the 25, I don't get time. So I'll cook tomorrow pepper soup and fried rice and fried meat. Now I want to tomorrow put them for freezer. Okay, guys.